Alright, little vlog test with the GoPro Max. Excuse my hood. My son is practice driving in the parking lot down here. And I decided to get out and actually finally use my Max. I've had it for days and have yet to use it. So here I am. It's breezy, it's cold, it's in the 30s. Of course I'm wearing shorts. Been doing a lot of stuff at home, and so I haven't really had time to play. I've had this for 2 days, 3 days. That's my son. I'm not recording you. My son's flipping me the bird as he drives by. I wasn't recording you, I was recording me. Say hi. That's my son. You can tell because he has that winning personality. There you go. That's my boy. Now recording in 360, and we'll see how that looks later. Look at the clouds. Beautiful. I love clouds. I haven't done a 360 picture in so long. Look, here comes my son driving his Jeep. I'm so proud. That's my boy. That's my boy. Florida's made me a wuss. Florida made me a wuss. Although I am wearing shorts, no socks. Did I take the other camera off? Oh yeah, good. He's such a good kid.